We go to other news now. A response this evening from the operators of the popular seafood spot Little Ochi on the south coast. Now, the establishment was ordered shut last Tuesday, May 3, for various public health breaches. Our reporter, Javon Keys, is here to give us the latest. Javon?
Thank you so much, Janella. So the Manchester Public Health Authority today made public a notice indicating that the well-known spot Little Ochi has been ordered shut since last week. Now the notice says the closure was as a result of breaches of the Public Health Act and its regulations. Now, our correspondent Rodney Longmore spoke with the owner, Everell Christian, today.
The major is the garbage receptacle. Wished I went and get it done with zinc instead of concrete. So on their last inspection, they said that they are not taking the zinc to complete the whole work. They want it to made out of concrete.
Now, Mr. Christian shared the public health assessment with us, which indicated, in fact, a number of breaches. Now, the document indicated that the establishment received a score of about 48 out of 100 at the last inspection done on Monday, May 9. And this included the garbage disposal issue, which Mr. Christian mentioned, but the establishment also got failing grades for issues including inadequate thermometers, inadequate protection for goods during preparation and storage. The health department also flagged a lack of adequate hygiene practices amongst staff, inadequate or poorly maintained cleaning equipment, lighting, ventilation, and the list goes on. Now, rodent and insect control was also a concern for the health department. Now, the owner has indicated that all the issues have been addressed.
I think I've completed all the requirements and I'm awaiting them for the reopen.
Now, of course, we spoke to a representative from the Manchester Public Health Department who explained that, as is the case for any assessment, once all the adjustments have been satisfactorily made, an entity could be reopened the same day. Of course, we'll keep tracking that story. Janella?
Thank you so much, Javon.